Here's Max and Finn. Hello, Max and Finn. And then, oh look, another black lab. This is Oscar. Oscar, sit. Good boy, Oscar. Well, I didn't say down. Good boy. And then we've got Bert. Bert, sit. Good boy, Bert. And then next door, we've got Piney. Hey, Piney. Ari. And Ari dog. Hello, Ari dog. Ari, sit. Good boy. There's a good boy. And then there's everyone all nice and chilled out. And then I'm talking like a silly boy. Then over here we've got Bob. Hello, Bob. Bob, sit. Bob, sit. No? Bob not going to sit? No, Bob? Okay, Bob. What about Charlie? Charlie, sit. Charlie, sit. Charlie, sit. Sit. No? You're not going to sit? No? Okay. That's just so peaceful. Yes, I know, Bert. Say au revoir.